next one. This is what I'm doing today. Here's some breadcrumbs, some flour, some egg. No, yeah, flour, egg, breadcrumbs. This kind of breadcrumbs right here. Leftover Stouffer's mac and cheese. Deep fried macaroni and cheese. That's what we're going to do outside. I'm making preparations to be safer outside. So I've seen this done before. I've never done it, as usual. And I've seen this done on YouTube. And people, you know, make macaroni and cheese from scratch or whatever. You know, I got leftover Stouffer's. And a lot of people will put it in a ball. You know, make it into a nice ball. I just cut it. It was in the refrigerator. That's easier. You don't have to freaking make it into a ball. Why make it into a ball when you can make it into a square?
I know.
Is there something wrong with squares?
No,
Square
I like
food?
squares. Squares are cool.
Oh, hi, sweet baby. I'm gonna put some in flour. Then I'm gonna put some in egg. Just like you're doing, I don't know, like making your own chicken fingers or chicken parmesan, or see if this works. Get this nice and coated. You want to have this fairly coated because we're going to submerge this in oil, are we not? What do you think of that?
Looks like tofu.
I wish.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, see, tofu, you know, that could be square or any other shape or form or flavor that you want. Let's see. Now this is, you know, this is not the complicated part. The complicated part is putting it in the oil without burning anything, burning a house, or burning yourself, or burning your clothes, or burning things. That's what we're going to do. I'm just going to put them on here. I'm going to do a bunch of these, and a little bit later on, we'll go outside and we'll deep fry them. I'm going to use the Akorn, get that nice and fiery hot with the cast iron, like I did the deep fried Oreos. If anyone's seen that, and if you haven't, take a look. I did deep fried Oreos the same way. What are you looking at, honey?
I'm making sure I'm recording.
Thank you. Peace. Yeah, it's poured out of Blackstone.
Yay!
All right, here we go. Look at, oh. That's what they look like. There's 18 of them. Yeah, 18. And we're going to do it on the Akorn. We're going to be careful because it's oil and it's fire. So I put a pizza stone down because I had my friend Sal, the Root Boy Cooks. When I did the Oreo video, he warned me to be careful, more careful than I was. So that's why I put this down, so the flames aren't exposed if the oil should happen to spill over. That's safety.
Yes.
That's safety. And then we're gonna check the oil. I just checked it a little while ago. Okay, we're up to you know, close to 300. Well, these have been in the fridge since I breaded them, and
Should you use the tongs?
yeah, that might not be a bad idea, huh? Safety first. And like I said, okay, that's a really great thing. We've never done these, and it's a thing. I saw it on YouTube. We'll do 4, and I'll just take you through the first 4, and we're gonna get them, like everything, golden brown. These are just great value breadcrumbs over leftover Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. We didn't bring the dogs out for safety reasons, and they are not happy. Not happy. Look at they're getting nice and golden brown pretty quick. Now, since I put that pizza stone down there, it took quite a while to get to the oil, get the oil up to temperature. It probably took 20 minutes, I would say. Last time I did it, when I didn't have the pizza stone down, it was a lot quicker process. But as you can see, this is going along nicely. We are very excited about this. And I wanted to ask you two, what do you think you will dip your fried macaroni and cheese in any kind of condiment? And if so, what would it be?
I probably wouldn't dip mine in anything.
I don't know that it needs any dipping sauce,
Yeah.
but
Sour cream.
sour cream, honey. Right.
Mm.
Dawn loves sour cream, and why not? Sour cream is very delicious. Very delicious. Look at how fast these are going. I'm interested to see what the inside is going to be like. Now again, I didn't get all fancy and roll them into beautiful little balls I just did. These are expanding quite a bit.
They're like SpongeBob.
All right, we're gonna go with that. What do you think?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay.
I mean, that's a golden brown. It's
That's
crispy.
Nice.
It's crispy like.
It looks good.
I wonder if we should just start with 4 for the video.
Yeah.
Because it's cold out. It's colder. It's Oklahoma. It's colder out. There's a little bit of a breeze. So what I don't want is these to chill off too much while the other ones cook.
Yeah.
So for the sake of the video, there's 4 of us, and we're going to take these inside, and we're going to taste these. So come on back, bro. Peace. Go. All right, look it. There they are. Again, poor guy's lighting is not extraordinary, but man, they look good. They smell like fried stuff. We're gonna cut one open, shall we?
Yes.
Let's see what it looks like. Ooh,
Ooh.
Mm.
it looks like what I expect.
Macaroni?
Yeah. That's what I expected.
Yeah.
Oh,
You hit a crunch.
yeah, there's a crunch.
I'm
Okay,
excited.
let's all grab a piece. We're not going to dip in anything. We're not going to put any salt on because it's Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. And that's salty enough as it is.
Oops.
Cheers, everybody.
Mmm. Those are yummy.
Okay.
Good.
It's good.
I love it.
Okay, this is what I'm thinking.
The mac and cheese needs to be hotter.
Yeah, I think they need to cook a little bit longer
Yeah.
because it was warm but not hot. It's tasty. I mean, when we sit down and eat these, I might actually dip them in ranch or something.
Yeah, ranch would be good.
Ranch might be. Aiden says no, but he doesn't like ranch. I like ranch a lot. Or sour cream.
Or sour cream.
Either one. These are fun and they're easy to do, and they're pretty tasty. It's kind of like if you make your own macaroni and cheese, put it in the oven and sprinkle some breadcrumbs and a little bit of extra cheese on it. It's kind of
Yeah.
got that flavor to it. And the Stouffer's, man, it's just, it's leftover. Why not use it? That's what we got. Deep fried mac and cheese, poor guy style. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Habana da. Peace.